You can use Apple Cash as a payment method for NAEP purchases and Apple ID transactions. This tutorial outlines the steps to add and set Apple Cash as your preferred payment option. What the process does: adding Apple Cash to your payment methods allows you to use your Apple Cash balance for purchases made through your Apple ID. You can also set it as the default payment method so it is used before other cards. Steps to add Apple Cash. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Tap Payment and Shipping. You may be asked to verify your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Tap Add Payment Method. From the list of available options, select Apple Cash. Tap Done in the top right corner to save to make Apple Cash your default payment method. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Press and hold Apple Cash and drag it to the top of the list. Using Apple Cash for purchases. Once added, Apple Cash will be used first for eligible purchases. When making an in-app purchase, confirm using Face ID or Touch ID. Apple Cash will be used if the balance is sufficient. Limitation: Apple Cash must have a sufficient balance to cover the purchase. If the balance is insufficient, your other payment methods will be charged. This setup is best suited for users who regularly use Apple Cash for digital purchases, subscriptions, or App Store transactions. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more guides.